Alright guys, it's 4:45 a.m. I'm about to pull out. I'm headed to Pro Sport MX today to practice for it's the Make a Series standard Saturday practice day. Couldn't find anybody to go with me. Going by myself. Had to go because I'm meeting a guy to sell him a KLR 650 motor. Selling my complete motor and my bottom end only. I'm getting around $600 out of that, so it's definitely worth the 2-hour trip. So hopefully get in 4 or 5 motos without tiring out too bad. I'm going whitewater rafting in the morning, and I hurt my wrist about a week ago and can't hardly lift anything with it, so I'm going to try to kind of take it easy on that. But yeah, hopefully we get some safe motos in, get this motor sold, and get back by this evening. Right, I'm here. I got set up, just got signed up. Riding practice 2 and 6 and give me a little break in between. Track looks awesome. We'll set up my lawn chair right there in the back of the truck and watch practice. And yeah, I'm gonna put in 4 quick sessions and hit the road. Get back and rest up for some whitewater tomorrow. So first practice did not go as planned. For the first time in about a decade on a motocross track, I ran out of gas. Bike started, warmed up, it was fine. I forgot that I rode a day at home and didn't fuel it up. So yeah, I got down to the starting gate, everything was good. Started up, made it to the first turn, ran out of gas. Had to walk all the way back, grab my completely full gas can, carry it all the way back, rushed, got fuel in the bike, and made it half a lap, and they were throwing the red flag. So yeah, so there's one practice down the drain. Focus thing. Hopefully I'll get 3 solid more ones. Depending on how I feel, I may even stay for the 3rd round, since I just ticked myself off and wasted a whole practice. And the track is primo. I could tell that just from the half a lap. So super bummed about that. This is after I already left my coffee sitting on the bed of my truck and made it all the way from the Flying J to the track, and then it falls off. And so then I have to buy a second coffee, which I spilled on my shirt. It's been a rough morning already, but yeah, we're gonna make sure it's good from here on out. third sessions were a huge improvement. Man, I'll tell you, a 16 to 18 gen Cali 450 is a whole different animal on this track than the old ones, the 9 to 15 or the 6 to 15 or whatever you want to call it. This track has a lot of really tight corners. It's got like 2 or 3 S-turns, and they were just tough on those old ones. But this bike corners so well with the front wheel. It's like, I can't believe the advantage people have had here over the years on Hondas or Suzuki's or something that turn with the front wheel. Because I feel like 10 times better through these tight turns. So happy about that. My weight's up a little. I'm not quite in as good physical shape as I've been here in the past, but I think just because of the way this bike turns, I'm just as fast as I've ever been here, which is awesome. So if I can get the other things in order, should be good, should be really good. Hopefully they have a Loretta's qualifier or something here next year. Had a killer day ripping.